Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make stew with fresh and tinned tomatoes. First, choose ripe, firm fresh tomatoes and high-quality tinned varieties like crushed or diced. For a smoother stew, peel and deseed your fresh tomatoes before chopping them into 1-inch pieces. This initial preparation ensures a rich, balanced tomato flavor in your finished dish. Next, build your flavor foundation. Sauté chopped onions and garlic until they are soft and fragrant. If using meat, brown it well on all sides to develop a rich, savory crust. Deglaze the pot with 1/2 cup of broth or red wine, scraping up any brown bits. Now, stir in your favorite herbs and spices, like 1 teaspoon of dried oregano or 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Now it's time to bring everything together. Add both your prepared fresh tomatoes and the tinned tomatoes to the pot. Pour in enough vegetable or beef broth to just cover all the ingredients, usually about 4 cups. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Cover and cook for at least 1 hour, or until the meat and vegetables are wonderfully tender. For the final touches, taste your stew and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. Stir in 1/4 cup of fresh chopped basil or parsley just before serving for a burst of fresh flavor. A small splash of red wine vinegar, about 1 tablespoon, can brighten the overall taste. Serve your delicious tomato stew hot with crusty bread, rice, or pasta.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.